Okay, so it's a dessert that is a mashup of two culinary cultures.
Yeah, we're making chocolate spring rolls at Blue Sushi Sake Grill.
We use a Mexican abuelitas chocolate, which has a cinnamon flavor to it.
Okay.
And that's where you get the churro from.
Gotcha. Well, how do we start making it?
So we're gonna start by doing 2 layers and just lightly wet it down with the butter so it becomes pliable. And then we'll put a little bit of dust.
Churro dust.
And
We
a little
call
bit
it.
of crumble. All right, more melted butter, more sugar and chocolate. Now for the last step, you want to just melt melted butter on the top. Then we have some egg wash,
Okay.
which is just egg yolk. And this we're gonna put on the bottom half. But this is the easy part. When you roll it, if it comes out perfect, that's the hard part. That's not always in your favor.
So Craig's kind of a sushi chef in his own means
Yeah,
here,
definitely.
you know?
Yeah.
He's rolling something. He's got good practice
I've been rolling for a while. We'll do egg wash on the whole thing, so then I can put it in the dust. And I'll crimp in the edges. And there you have a perfect Blue Sushi chocolate spring roll. Cheese. Then, always good is melted chocolate. Just a little bit,
Just a little bit.
not too much.
That's what he calls a little bit.
Yeah.
Then, for the kids,
More dust.
more dust. There you go. We put a little raspberries on it for some garnish. There you have it.
And we brought that dessert back for our executive producer. I asked her to describe it in one word, and she said a word didn't do it justice, so she just got up from her desk and started crumping.
I mean, that's the natural reaction. My favorite part of that story was when you go, just a little bit of chocolate, and they just pour it on.
You know, you can never have too much chocolate.
No, absolutely not.